Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark a book as finished on the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should select the book that you have read. Click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then tap on the Mark as Finished button indicated with the check mark icon. As you can see, you have marked it as finished, and if you would like to undo this, tap on the Unmark as Finished button again. If you go to your bookshelf and click on the Finished button, it will appear at this section if you have marked it as finished. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.